HS5 Installation Guide. Installation Environment. Preparing installation tools. Package list. Inverter contents. Battery contents. Battery and inverter installation. Step 1. Assemble the battery base. Adjust the height of the base feet. Make sure that the base is placed on the ground horizontally. Step 2. Remove the cardboard from the base battery pack. Align the bottom of the cardboard with the leveled base, and place it against the wall. Drill holes at the marked positions on the cardboard, with the number of holes calculated based on the number of batteries. Step 3. Install the base. Align the locking bracket with the drilled holes and install the screws to secure the locking bracket to the wall. Step 4. Place the batteries on the base. Align the locking bracket with the drilled hole, and install the screws to secure the locking bracket to the wall. Stack the remaining batteries in sequence, aligning the locking bracket with the drilled hole for each battery and installing the screws to secure the locking bracket to the wall. Step 5. Stack the inverter on top of the top battery. Tighten the screws securing the batteries to the inverter. Meter package contents. 1. Meter power supply wiring. 2. Install the CT, ensuring the arrow on the CT scanner points towards the load. 3. Connect the antenna. SAJ wiring. 1. Connect the grounding cable. 2. Connect the AC power cables, grid and backup. Three. Connect the DC power cables. Four. Connect the internal resistance. 5. Connect the communication module. 6. Connect the antenna. 7. Install the inverter cover and then tighten with screws. System startup. Press and hold Start for 5 seconds. Turn the DC switch to On to start the system. App debugging. 1. App download. 2. Account registration and login. 3. Create plant. Four. Activate and initialize device. Network setting. Export limitation settings. Safety settings.